All right, guys, we've got the Oleksand Magnetic Dry Erase Board. It's a 2-in-1, so you get one that's completely blank, and you can see, look at this, boom. It's easy peasy. And then you have one that's actually a calendar that can just be used every month, and you can clean it off really easily. So you got 3 different colors. We've got black, and it erases. So these are super easy to use. We got black, you got purple, and we've got yellow. So they're super easy to see. I think this is great for a family. Maybe you got kids in school. You want to keep track of like what you guys have going on every week, so everybody can kind of see it in the morning or at night. And I think it's just sweet how easy these are to use. These are going to be great for the refrigerator, keeping everybody abreast of what the calendar is doing. You got 6 of these. Get it.